What if I told you that you could make $350 every single day without spending a dime? And the best part? You can do it all from home, using just a tool you're probably already familiar with, ChatGPT. Keep watching to discover how. Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Today, I've got something super exciting for you, a way to make money using ChatGPT. And yes, you heard that right. You can earn $350 per day for free. If you've ever wondered how people are making money online, this video is for you. Stick around and I'll show you step by step how you can start today. What you'll need. First things first, let's talk about what you'll need. Don't worry, you don't need any fancy equipment or prior experience. All you need is 1. A computer or smartphone. 2. Access to ChatGPT. You can get started with the free version. 3. A willingness to learn and put in a bit of time every day. How ChatGPT can help you make $350 a day. ChatGPT generating answers or writing a short passage. So, how exactly can you turn ChatGPT into a money-making machine? Let me break it down for you in simple steps. 1. Freelance writing with ChatGPT. First up, freelance writing. ChatGPT can help you write articles, blog posts, product descriptions, and so much more. You can find clients on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Now, let me explain how you can earn $350 a day with this. Let's say you write 2 to 3 articles per day for clients. Most blog posts or articles pay anywhere between $50 to $150, depending on the topic and your experience. ChatGPT can help you write high-quality content in a fraction of the time, and with practice, you can easily land multiple gigs every day. 2. Social media management with ChatGPT. Show clips of social media platforms with engaging posts. Next, social media management. If you enjoy social media, this one's for you. You can offer social media content creation, captions, and even complete posting schedules to businesses that need help. ChatGPT can help you generate engaging captions, hashtags, and even brainstorm creative post ideas in no time. Many small businesses pay $300–500 per month to have their social media managed. By offering a done-for-you service, you could easily make $350 a day if you take on just a few clients. 3. ChatGPT-powered copywriting cut to someone designing a marketing email or ad copy on a computer. Now, let's talk about copywriting. Businesses are always looking for persuasive and effective copy to sell their products, whether it's through email campaigns, landing pages, or ads. With ChatGPT's ability to generate catchy, engaging, and professional-sounding copy, you can start offering copywriting services to clients who need help with their marketing materials. High-quality copywriting can earn anywhere between $100 and $500 per project. With the help of ChatGPT, you can significantly cut down the time it takes to complete a project, allowing you to take on multiple clients per day and hit that $350 target. 4. Virtual assistant work with ChatGPT. Virtual assistant managing tasks on a computer. Another easy way to make money with ChatGPT is by offering virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you'll help clients with tasks like email management, scheduling appointments, research, and data entry. ChatGPT can help you automate and speed up some of these tasks, like writing emails, conducting research, or even summarizing information. Businesses are always looking for reliable virtual assistants, and you could charge anywhere from $20 to $50 per hour, which adds up quickly if you work efficiently with the help of ChatGPT. How to get started right now. Fiverr and Upwork profiles. So, now that you know the types of jobs you can do, let's talk about getting started. 1. Create a profile. Go to freelance platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. Set up a profile and describe your services clearly. Don't forget to mention how ChatGPT helps you work faster and provide more value for your clients. 2. Build a portfolio. If you're just starting out, offer discounted services or create sample work to show potential clients what you can do. The more you show, the more likely you are to land jobs. 3. Pitch clients. Start reaching out to businesses or individuals in need of your services. Be proactive, send personalized pitches, and highlight how ChatGPT gives you the edge in delivering high-quality work quickly. Extra tips for maximizing earnings. 1. Time management. Set a schedule. You don't need to work 8 hours a day, but consistency is key. 2. Leverage ChatGPT to automate. The more you use ChatGPT to help you write or create content, the faster you'll become at delivering quality work. Don't overcomplicate things. Use ChatGPT as your assistant. 3. Upsell your services. Offer extra services like revisions, SEO optimization, or content strategy to increase your earnings from each client.